below. Number 3 is the LexMark CS521DN laser printer. The LexMark CS521DN laser printer under $400 is a reliable and efficient choice for printing a wide range of documents. Its maximum print speed of 35 pages per minute (HPM) and high-resolution 2400x600 Ti output ensures crisp and professional-looking prints. It is also prepared with advanced printing technology to print with exceptional precision and accuracy, making it an ideal option for businesses and individuals needing high-quality printing solutions. The dimensions of the printer measure 16.6 x 17.4 x 12.1 inches, which makes it compact and versatile for various spaces. With a weight of 46 pounds, this laser printer may be heavier than others in the market. However, this additional weight is attributed to its sturdy construction, which ensures exceptional longevity and reliability. With its versatile sheet sizes of 8.27 x 13, 8.50 x 5.50, 8.50 x 14, 8.50 x 11, 7.25 x 10.50, 4.30 x 8.60, 3.37 x 9, and 6.90 x 9.80 can provide exceptional flexibility for various printing needs. With a maximum input sheet capacity of 251 sheets, this printer can handle large batches of paper effortlessly, ensuring high-quality output and uninterrupted productivity. And if you like this wireless laser printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below.